Hi everyone, welcome to the CRS Info Solutions channel, and in today's video we'll walk through how to create email templates and email alerts in Salesforce Lightning using a real-time example of a shipment delay notification. So if you're a Salesforce admin or aspiring to be one, this video is for you. So what are email templates and email alerts? Let's start with the basics. Email templates in Salesforce are predefined emails that can be sent automatically or manually. They help save time and maintain consistency in communication. And the email alerts are workflow actions that use these templates and send emails when specific conditions are met, like shipment being delayed. Together, these two features automate communication in Salesforce, reducing manual effort and keeping your customers informed in real time. Now, let's look at our scenario. Say we are a logistics company and we track shipments in Salesforce. We have a custom object called shipment, and one of the field is status. And I'll show you that in a bit in the Salesforce org. Uh, Now, the status field can be in transit, delivered, or delayed. Whenever a shipment is marked as delayed, we want Salesforce to automatically send an email to the customer, informing them about the delay and giving them an updated estimated time of arrival. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the email template first. So within your Salesforce org, navigate to the setup page and then search for email template. Before doing this, make sure the Lightning email templates toggle is turned on. Yep, it's turned on right there. Now go to classic email templates, click new template. For now, we are going to use the text type of the template. Click next. All right. So here we have to enter some details about the template and what the template will include. We can use this part to merge the fields within the body of the email. So I want to use it right away. So I'll click on available for use. The email template name, let's name this shipment delay notification. Then the subject will be your shipment has been delayed. And in the body, we can enter I have this in our slide. Just paste the email body right here. Let me just make sure if we need some changes in this. Okay, hello, contact first name. So the contact fields we actually want the person that we are sending this email to. We use the shipment fields and it will be delivered to. So I'll just copy this merge field from here and paste it over here. So this template will be addressing the person who was about to receive the shipment. And then instead of the name of the shipment, we need to replace it. And this depends on the scenario. On my end, I'm using the shipment number, so I'm going to use the shipment number here. So copy this. I'll paste it right here. And then the estimated delivery date, we have this one as expected delivery date. Yeah, expected delivery date. So I'll copy this from here and I'll paste the expected delivery date. Looks good to me. So we have created this template. We'll go ahead and save this. Okay, let me just, okay, there's a name duplication, so we probably have to, yeah, I already made this template, so we have the same thing over here. That was the reason we could not save it, but there we go. We already have the same template already saved, so we can use this one. But the process of making it is the same that I showed you just right now. Okay. Now, since we have the template already, we will go to the alerts and create the email alert now. Now, the template that we saved is what we have is a reusable and dynamic email, which which will fetch live data for shipment records, and we can use this in multiple alerts or wherever we want that. So in the email alerts, we will go ahead and okay. So I have the email alert already created here, and I'm gonna show you this one. Or I can just go ahead and delete this email alert, and I'll create it from scratch so you can see how to make the email alert. Okay. So the description of this email alert will be, and then we will name this. Actually, the description needs to be really small, so I'll just keep it shipment delay alert. And then the object that we are going to use this alert on is shipment. This is our Salesforce object. And the template that we are going to use is shipment delay notification. I have pasted it somewhere, so I just put the name right here. This is the name of the template that we just used. And what else needs to be set? Let's see. Okay, the recipient type. So the recipient will be the related contact. So we'll go ahead and look for the related contact. And we will put this over here in the selected recipients. And from email address, we want to leave it like this because we want the from address to be the one of the user who is using who is updating the shipment. So the from address will be that email. Let's go ahead and save this. All right. So our email template and our email alert both are ready. And all we need to do now is use this alert in process builder or flow wherever we want. For an example, I can really show you how to use this in the flow. So I'll go to flows and I'll create a new flow. The reason I'm using flow is it's more modern and flexible than process builder. Okay, and then we want to use the record trigger flow for this. So the object will be the shipment, and we want the shipment record anytime to be created or updated. We want this to run. So, and the condition that we want is whenever the status is equals to delayed. So whenever the status field on shipment is set to delayed, we want to send this notification, and we will use the second option. So whenever these changes are made, at that point this flow should run, and then we'll add the element to the flow for the email alert. right there. And here we will select the alert that we just created, shipment delay alert. If you cannot see it here, you can just search it. But I only have one alert in the org, so I'll just go ahead and select this one. I'll name the this element same as the alert, and then I need to pass the record ID, which will be our shipment record, shipment record, and we need to provide the ID over here. Alrighty, looks good. We'll save the flow, name the flow as send shipment delay. Go ahead and save this. And we'll activate this flow. Alrighty, so that's it. We created the template, we used it in the alert, and then we created the flow and used that alert in the flow. Now, anytime a shipment is updated to delayed, the customer will automatically get the email notification. To summarize, we created a dynamic email template, built an email alert, and automated it with a flow. Now, if you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with what you'd like to learn next in Salesforce Lightning. See you in the next video. Thank you.